Sigma n equals 1 to infinity the cube root of n squared over 5 times the 4 root of n cubed. So this is the same. Well, it's not in the correct 1 over n to the p, but of course we can apply these properties of radicals. That's n to the 2/3 over 5, n to the 3/4. And then let's use the laws of exponents. Divide 3/4 from 2/3. N equals 1 to infinity. That's n to the what power? I believe it's negative 1/12 over 5. But still we want that variable factor in the denominator. That's sigma n equals 1 to infinity. 5n to the 1/12. And that's from here we can get the value of p, which happens to be 1/12, which is less than 1, and by the p-series test diverges. Okay, letter E. This is more like a symbolic type of problem, like testing on the concept, on the understanding of how the p-series test. So in this case, we have n to some power that it's not all numbers. I mean, if we had like n to the 5th, well, 5 is greater than 1 converges. So if we had something like n to the 2/3, for example, well, that's less than or equal to 1, well, diverges. So it's either one or the other. But in this case, they're asking us specifically for which values of a the series will converge, all right? And well, in order to determine the convergence or divergence, we judge by the value of the exponent of n. And well, because we want convergence, you want the power of n be greater than 1. Alright, that's what you want in this case. And well, greater than 1, less than 1, that means inequality. So we set an inequality. We set 3a plus 2 greater than 1. Solve the inequality for a. Oops. And so that's 3a equals negative 1. And a equals negative 1/3. So any, or not equal actually, greater than. And you can try a few values, of course. I mean, any number greater than 1/3, than negative 1/3. Let's say 2/3. Or yes, no, that's not greater. 0, for example. 0 is greater than negative 1/3. Do we agree? Okay, plug in 0 here, you get n to the 3 times 0 plus 2, you get n squared. Isn't that a convergent series? Yes, so any number that is greater, any value of a that is greater than negative 1/3 would do it. All right, and